In a quiet neighborhood in Enugu lived a cheerful little girl named Amara. She was 8 years old, full of energy, and always asking questions about everything, especially about money. Amara loved market days. Not just because of the smells of fresh bread and fried puff-puff, but because it was a day full of colors, people, and adventure. Her mom, Mama Amara, was a kind woman who always believed that every outing could be a lesson. One bright Saturday morning, she called out, "Amara, get ready, we are going to the market." Amara jumped out of bed excitedly. "Yay! Can I buy something too?" she asked, her eyes sparkling. Mama Amara smiled. "Yes, my dear. But you have to use your own money." Amara blinked. "My own money?" Mama nodded and handed her a small purple purse. "You saved 1,000 Nigerian nairas from your pocket money. Today, you learn how to spend it wisely." The market was alive with sound and color. There were stacks of ripe mangoes, heaps of pepper, shiny fish laid out on trays, and people haggling cheerfully. Amara held her purple purse tightly and followed her mom closely. They stopped first at a fruit stall. "Mommy, look! Strawberries!" Amara said excitedly. The woman behind the stall smiled. "Oh, small madam. One pack for 700 naira." Amara's eyes widened. 700 naira. That's almost all my money. Mama chuckled softly. "Yes, strawberries are nice, but remember, once you spend, it's gone. Think before you buy." Amara looked around again and saw some apples, bright and sweet. "How much are the apples, auntie?" she asked. 100 naira for 3, the woman replied. Amara smiled. Maybe I'll buy apples instead." As they moved from store to store, Amara noticed something. Some things looked very tempting, but not everything was necessary. She saw a shiny pink hairband. She wanted it. Then she saw a colorful notebook. She wanted that too. But each time, Mama Amara reminded her, "Ask yourself, do I want it or do I need it?" Amara thought for a moment. I just want it." Mama smiled. "That's a smart answer. Wants are nice, but needs come first." Then they reached the toy section. There it was, a small blue teddy bear that looked so soft and cute. "Mommy, please. I've wanted this since last time." Mama raised an eyebrow playfully. "How much?" The seller replied, 500 naira, madam." Amara checked her purse. She had 900 naira left after buying apples. She thought carefully and said, "I'll take it. But that means I'll only have 400 naira left." Mama Amara smiled. "It's your choice, my dear. Remember, once you spend, it's gone." Back at home, Amara laid out her purchases: apples, a teddy bear, and 400 naira left in her purse. Mama Amara sat beside her and said, "So, tell me, Amara, what did you learn today?" Amara thought for a moment and smiled. "I learned that money can finish quickly if you don't think before spending. I also learned to check if something is a want or a need before I buy." Mama Amara nodded proudly. "Exactly. That's how you spend wisely. Always plan, compare, and think before you pay." Then she handed Amara a small notebook labeled, "My Money Diary." "From now on, write down everything you buy, how much it costs, and if it's a need or a want. It'll help you see where your money goes." Amara grinned and opened the book right away. She wrote, "Apples, 100 naira, need. Teddy bear, 500 naira, want." Then she looked up and said, "Mommy, next time, I want to save more before we go to the market again." Mama Amara laughed warmly. Now that's my smart girl. And that was how Amara learned one of the most important money lessons, that spending wisely means thinking carefully, choosing what matters, and saving for what's important. Remember, kids, every naira you have is a choice. Spend it with wisdom, and it will take you far. And that brings us to the end of today's story, the market day story, how a simple trip teaches kids about spending wisely. Remember, every time you go shopping or to the market, it's not just about buying things, it's a chance to practice smart money habits. That's how you grow to become money smart, one wise choice at a time. Thank you so much for watching the Money Playground, where money lessons are fun, simple, and made just for you and your family. If you enjoyed today's story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss another fun money story. Until next time, keep learning, keep saving, and keep playing smart with your money.